So for problem number 8, what we want to do is we want to do the linear regression. So when we turn our calculators on, everybody get your calculator out so you can do this with me. If I go to Stat, and it'll say Edit. If I click Edit, there may be a bunch of stuff in there. Alright, and the way that you get rid of the stuff is you go up to L1, and when L1 is highlighted, you could hit Clear, and then hit Enter, and it will clear everything. But mine's already clear. And so for problem number 8, you simply have to enter in the information. So we have 12, 15, 17, and I'm just entering in the stuff from the column. 26, 28, 32, 38, and then 41. Okay? So then from there, what I want to do is I want to go over to L2 and enter in the same stuff. Before we do our calculations, it's a wise idea to go through and double check what you enter in, because sometimes you make a mistake. Two things to double check is when you're done entering in your list, you should have the same number of entries for L1 as you do in L2. If you don't, you probably skipped one or forgot one. So that's the first thing I check, and I do. And then you should go through and just double check, verify real quick, because it amazes me how many times a kid will like transpose the numbers. Instead of putting 23, they put 32 or something, they get the wrong answer. So 12, 10, 15, 11, 17, 17, 21, 23, 26, 23, 28, 24, 32, 32, 38, 40, and 41, 38. So now, to find the linear regression, you could do it a couple of ways. The first thing, we can turn on stat plot, but we're not required to. So go back to stat now, and then choose calc. Now if you go down to linear regression, if I hit linear regression, by default it automatically chooses L1, L2 as your X and Y. Okay? And if I hit enter, I get this. And so what's your answer? A. That's it.